Okay, I'm doing a few more videos here of my chainsaws. This one here is a 2011 Stihl ms170. It's a 30cc saw. I have to say I've been very happy with it. I bought this saw used off Craigslist in like September, and it was only a couple of months old, but the guy dropped a tree on it, broke the side cover on it, and I haven't replaced it yet. But I've probably run 3 or 4 gallons worth of gas to this thing already, and this saw is just fantastic. I've been extremely happy with it, so I highly recommend it for Stihl's bottom of the barrel chainsaw. Go ahead and make a couple cuts and show you how it runs. So there it is, a little ms170. Very happy with this little saw. Highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.